In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Calendar Event ID. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you usually use. Once it's open, navigate to the search bar at the top. Here, type in Google Calendar and press Enter. You will see a list of search results appear on your screen. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for accessing your Google Calendar. It's important to make sure you find the official Google Calendar link to avoid any phishing sites. Next, click on the correct link that takes you to Google Calendar. This link typically appears at the top of the search results and should have a URL that starts with calendar.google.com. Clicking on the right link ensures that you are accessing the official Google Calendar, which is secure and reliable. This is a key step because using the official site prevents any security risks associated with third-party sites. Now, it's time to log into your Google account. If you're not already logged in, you will be prompted to enter your email and password. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. This step is essential as it grants you access to your calendar and all the events associated with your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to complete that process as well. Do not worry, this is simply an extra layer of security to keep your account safe. After logging in, you will see your Google Calendar interface. Locate the specific event you want to find the ID for and click on it. This will open a pop-up window with details about the event. In this window, look for the pencil icon, which represents the Edit Event option. Click on this pencil icon to proceed to the event editing page. This is an important step because accessing the edit mode allows you to see the details needed for the next steps. With the event open in edit mode, look at your browser's address bar. Here you will see the URL displayed. The URL will look something like this: https://google.com/. This URL contains key information about the event you are editing. It is crucial to focus on this URL because it holds the details necessary for finding the event ID, which you will need for various purposes like integration with other apps or sharing the event programmatically. Now focus on the long random string of letters and numbers located right after /event edit/ in the URL. This string is your event ID. To extract it, simply copy everything between that slash and any question mark that follows it. This little step is vital because this event ID uniquely identifies your event within Google Calendar. Having this ID allows you to reference the event easily in your applications or share it with others, ensuring that everyone has the correct information. Once you have copied the event ID, you can store it in a secure place or use it as needed. This completion ensures you have successfully retrieved the event ID, and now you are equipped with valuable information that can enhance your productivity. Remember, knowing how to find your event ID is a handy skill for managing your calendar more effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you with your Google Calendar tasks.